Back we go, Sunday, August 8th. Looking at a lot of different stocks, from EV stocks, penny stocks, higher price stocks, swing trade, day trading ideas. Let's start off with NCTY, the 9 limited. This is part of the meme stocks, I believe. You can see 2019 had a reverse split. A lot of spikes in here. Came crashing down another reverse split back in October 2020. Big volume here, 2021. This is when it broke out. Got up to 20, back to 10. Rode this 13 EMA all the way up to 88.43, and we have 89.20. Wow. And then back it goes. Bounce, little bounce, tried to bounce again, and came out of this wedge. This is sort of flat. This one sideways, like drifted, like you're in a boat with no paddles. And this came all the way up to 20. And we formed another falling wedge. Then we get in here, not get in here. It was around $10. This move here tried to break out. A 2-bar down. See, this is crazy, some of these stocks. Then the next day, you just don't know. Next day, it bounces right up. Massive volume and candle. And then, we're hugging this 13 MA, then up we go, 14, 17. So this is a good move. Monthly, we're trying to cross over. I like the divergence here. See this low up right here. The low is getting higher there. The monthly, the weekly, you're still oversold here. Trying to break above this 20. You have your 20 EMA above 13, back and forth, trying to break above. So it's looking better. Is this going to get a 15 or 20? It looks like it's headed that way. So I'd look for 15 or 20. There's the last move on the 14th of June. And then, another candle here back in May. So it's looking pretty good. Your stop here, probably just want to keep it tight, 12. And then your ultimate stop here is going to be about 850, 850-ish. So, this is channeled, went down further, bouncing out. We'll see what happens with this. I like the volume on the, going up on the days going up. On the bullish days, so it's pretty good. HVBT, Hive Blockchain. Here we go. 50 cents November, back to 550. If you were in 50 cents, you took a shot at this, and you're probably sitting on an island right now. If you had a big stack. So up this went, chopped down, back and forth with bounces. Came back up to 3, 2, back to 3. So we're trying to get above this 3 again. Big, heavy volume down here. Weekly, it's coming up. Oversold now, it's starting to move. I like that. It's looking pretty good on the monthly. Crossed over right here at that half line. That 50 is like, over under. That's looking pretty positive. So in this, we get back to 3. I would look towards 350-ish. Maybe back to 4. We'll see. It has to break over this. This is a big mark here. The pullback here could be 275 to 250 or EMAs right here. So watch that for a pullback. But you can see this big move up. It finally consolidated, found base, and we'll see what it does here. TME, Tenant Music. This thing's got crushed. This broke out in April, May last year. 10, 12, and all the way up to the high is 32. And this came crashing down. Look at these candles. 1, 2, 3 big candles. Tried to bounce, didn't work. Went sideways, barely moved here, and then really getting crushed here. Back in July, went down. We go 1043 right now. So the monthly in this, straight red over white. See this? It's straight bearish. Now it's coming deep down pretty much. It looks like the move will be over pretty soon on this. I don't see much lower. On weekly, look at this. This flat from May, June, July, now August. So it's looking pretty brutal. The monthly's, trying to carve out a deep trough like that, and then finally find a base. Not yet, though. I wouldn't be a hero and jump in this. You're gonna have to wait till it really puts in a buy signal here. So we got to get over, if you're playing this, over 11. And then so if you can work your way up. Then it's past this trend line of 13. Now your stop right now is this 10 to 951 area. So watch that on TME, but looking pretty brutal. IQ just stops around for a while. Looks like it found this spot right here about 28 many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It couldn't make it above it. Crashed down. 1, 2, 3, 4 big bearish candles here. So I was away from the mic. What I said here, if you couldn't hear me, found a top here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Came back down. And then down we go. Look at this. To 13. Try to bounce to 15 down. We go to 1060. So this is another ugly chart. Weekly, you're still buried over sold at this point. Not much doing. The monthly, yes, it crossed over negative again at 878. It's really bad when your monthly's that low. So this is all going to be. There are retracements in here from this level. This is all going to be news driven, or something's got to change the stock to turn this around here. So if you're playing this, the low here is at 1033. It's got to stay above that. It's not looking good. And then try to get above 11 to 12 area and climb back up. But very negative on that stock right now. So it's looking very bad. NCTY, I called that stock twitch too. I called that near the 12 to 20 level. It'll break back up. HVBT is looking pretty good. TME, nothing good. And IQ, really nothing good. So there you have it for these 4. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Mike Cayman Trade alerts or Mike Cayman alerts. Now I changed it to Stock Twits. Instagram Mike Frank 98. TikTok Mike Frank III. And what else do I have? What else did I say? Twitter Mike J Trades. Getting tired here. But that's it for this video. Peace out.